Ever missing that overview of your project or your team? Well, ClickUp has you covered. My name is Inwills and I am a ClickUp ambassador from the United Kingdom. I produce content on getting organized and increasing your productivity. And in this video, we are going to be looking at ClickUp's dashboard feature. When we are working productively on a project, we sometimes forget to stand back and look at the overview. How is the project progressing? What is everybody's workload? Who is meeting deadline and who needs more support? And where are those bottlenecks? Even as a solo content creator, I need to see that overview. Am I reaching my goals? What am I spending the majority of my time on? And where do I need to refocus my efforts in order to improve? To help us see this overview, ClickUp has an excellent feature called dashboards. Dashboards have transformed data visualization and offer us real-time insights to our workflow and project management. They allow you to create one place where you can visualize your success. You can curate data and information about your project into one place, providing you with those important insights about your project. And you can also see the progression of tasks and your team. There are over 50 pre-made widgets that you can use to create custom dashboards, from sprints and progression trackers to time trackers, tables, and even the use of external applications. In order to create a dashboard, you first need to go to dashboard in the left panel. If you can't see this, then you need to go up to the reveal panel up at the top next to your home. Clicking that will reveal it. Then you can click dashboard, and here you have an overview of all your dashboards. So you can see here is my personal dashboard that I use to show my task list, my tag uses, so I can see what kind of content I'm creating, and also my targets for this Be Productive actual brand. To actually create your own dashboard, then you need to come back to the dashboard menu and go up to the top where it says New Dashboard. Clicking this will open the Create a Dashboard window. This allows you to do a variety of things. Initially, you can create your own dashboard using one of the templates provided, or you can click Create Custom Dashboard at the bottom. Once you do this, for a custom dashboard, you then get all the widgets that you can use to actually add to your dashboard. So for example, if you want to look at workload according to status, then you can do that, or even the statuses over time. You can focus in on assignees or sprints or time tracking. You get the idea. There's plenty of widgets to be used here. And if you want a specific widget, then there's a search bar up at the top. So if I want to see specific lists, then I can just click it there. And once you've clicked this, this will give you the information that the widget needs to go into your dashboard. So here it's allowing you to name the task list. Here it's giving you the location so you can go through. So if I want this to demonstrate my getting things done tasks, then I can click it here. And then it asks you how you want to group it. Do you want it by status, priority, due date, etc. Then what you can do, once you're happy with that, you can just add the card, and this will appear on your dashboard. From this point, you can go down to the bottom right hand and left click and drag and change the size of the card. Notice that when you do this, you see some little blocks in the background that you can move your card to fill. So it gives you a really good idea about where to put your cards and how to change them. Once you have finished all this, then you can unclick the edit mode, and then these become that you cannot actually move them. They're then fixed. But at any time, if you'd like to go back and add further widgets, then you can just unclick or slide across the edit mode, and then you can add another card here. So if we want a pie chart or time reporting, or even if you just want a text block to provide you with important information, then you can do that. And so you can then add another widget and doing it the same way. So if I click on my content creation and go down to getting things done, and then add the card, this will appear again, and you can see here I can then move it or move it and adjust the size, or I can wait for the hand to appear and then just reorganize these and reassign them to where I would like them to be in the dashboard. Here you can see I have a lot more ideas in my task managers compared to scheduled or progression. Okay, and then once you finish, you can just slide it across and then it's fixed once more. But you don't need to create a dashboard from scratch, since ClickUp actually provides you with several templates that you can use and edit and change to suit your needs. If you would like to see more examples of dashboards, then ClickUp has an excellent blog post where they share 15 examples of dashboards that can be used in a variety of cases. If you are interested in creating your own dashboards as well as using all the other excellent features of ClickUp, then I've put my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for supporting my videos, and stay productive.